Hello, welcome to my new video. Today I wanted to show you an Office Space edition, Office Space Special Edition with Flair. This great satirical movie of Mike Judge. Add some flair to your job. Is the content of the editions. Really a lot. Like an office drawer. Add some flair to your job. Here's the box without the J card. With some quotes from the movie. Lambert sucks. I quit. With this footprint. Really great and embossed. Debossed. Really great. It's embossed too. Gift set, Office Space. Now to the content, like this drawer, you can open it, and here's the content. Well, we begin with the DVD. It's old edition, so it's DVD edition with this embossed slipcover. Very beautiful. Special edition with Flair. So here's the keep case, widescreen. Here we have a small flyer, promotional material, nothing special, and this small piece of paper with the chapters, like in most DVD releases. The rest of the box with this cup and pen. Is a pen, Office Space pen. No, it's a pen, Office Space. Really boring looking. And that's a pencil with the rubber, like most offices don't use anymore. And this beautiful cup, Office Space Special Edition. And the boss. Ooh yeah, one of the nightmare boss with this. With a picture of this original Initech cup. Great gimmick. I suppose it's the only edition where I have a cup in the box. Then there is this notepad, Initech TPS report, where he's the main character is a developer and he has to write this TPS reports, which he is noticed by several bosses that he should write them. And here's the fish. If you watch the movie, that you know which scene this fish is about. Now to the rest. Here we have a magnet with some quotes from the movie. Work sucks, lunch at Cloak's, and meeting with Bob. And this mouse pad, like an real old school mouse pad, with this artwork from the waitress played by Jennifer Aniston. This Flair thingies that she has to wear. And last but not least, in this white box is the famous red stapler of Milton. It's not the same red stapler, but it looks pretty similar. There is fun story to this red stapler. The company who produced them, they didn't have red staplers in sortiment, but after the movie they produced them. So it was an original movie prop. The movie is simply great, still current today. I highly recommend everyone to watch it. Also another Mike Judge movie, very underrated, Idiocracy, where an ordinary man goes to the is sent to the future, 500 years in the future, where the whole population becomes stupid. Well, folks, that was it. How did you like this edition? Let me know in the comments below. Leave a thumb up and subscribe to my channel. Till the next time, bye bye.